Hi guys, Ronnie here. Today we're going to be talking about the value of video editing, right? And to do that, I'm going to introduce you to the claw of the eagle. So this little claw here has 3 little fingers, and video editing has 3 little points. So first of all, you sit down and you get all this inspiration, all this knowledge, you get it together in your head and you put it down on a piece of paper. You create a script, right? And in between you start reflecting to the unconscious mind. The information's coming in. Oh, I've got to shift that around. Oh, that's a good idea. I'll put that down there. Right. That's step 1. So now you've actually taken this total chaos and we put that down on a piece of paper and it's right in front of us. It's turned into something that we can actually see. So this is the second step. We take that script and stick it up behind the camera and then we start reading it and we start repeating it for ourselves. Keep that camera rolling. Don't turn off that camera. Stay in the vibe of the actor, right? So in the second step, we have this great big video and we put it in the editor and start chopping it up. Start getting out those tiny little pieces. Start crunching it together like a black hole, you know? So now we have this great crunched together, valuable little thing, like a diamond. So what we're going to do in the third step is put in the rhythm. Bam, 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 bam. We've got that beat going, right? Bam, bam, bam. It's the rhythm of nature. Bam, bam. And put all that video onto the rhythm, onto the beat. So when we've got that beautiful audio file, it's underneath and it's flowing and it's timed and it's in the beat and it's in the rhythm. So the final thing we do in step 3 is we put this beautiful little pictures on top. And we take that and we play with the rhythm. And suddenly there it is, the most beautiful promotional video. Let's dive onto the computer, just for the fun of it. Bye-bye.